This is the star.
Yeah.
This is the door. This is the fence.
Where's the fence? Show me the fence. Okay. And what else?
And this is the roof.
Mm-hmm.
This is the mouse and the boat. This is the person. This is the ground.
I see you made the floor in the house, okay. And this is a person in the house. This is the fence. And the roof, a star, and the door. I see. Show me the door. I see. And what is this over here?
That's the fence. That's part of the fence.
Oh, I see. Okay. Are you all done with the house? Or you want to work on it some more tomorrow? It's for Daddy?
Let's put it on the stairs.
Cool. So I can be surprised when it comes.
And also we
Here we
also
go.
made a picture for Daddy with Hello Kitty on it.
That's right.
Put it on the wall for Daddy. But not the house, because the house doesn't fit.
No.
Because the house is giant big. And I think that for big won't fit.
Well, it's also not flat. It's three-dimensional, right? See, now Mommy drew the Hello Kitty, right? And then what did you draw? You wrote Hello Kitty. You wrote Monday. And who is this?
Keaton.
I thought it was Taylor. And what's this? What's this over here?
The school.
The school.
Aquatic park.
Aquatic Park School. Okay.
The flower. And this is for Daddy.
That's for Daddy. And the hearts, all these hearts, that's for whom? For me?
Bobby.
Cool.
Mimota. Grandma.
We can all share maybe?
Isa.
Grandma Isa?